Hi, I'm going to show you how to make this origami blue jay. First, you need an A4 sheet of paper and some scissors. I'm not going to be using scissors because it's easy to rip the paper. The first step is to fold this top edge to this edge over here. Then you flip this over and fold this back so it lines up with this edge right here. Then unfold it, and this crease you need to fold it back and forward. So and then take your scissors and to cut it. Then you need to save this strip for the tail later. Now you take this square sheet of paper and fold it and make an X in the middle by folding this line by folding this edge to this edge. Now you take this, and now you need to take this edge and fold the paper in half. Then fold this top part down to this bottom part. Then you have four lines going across the paper. Now you need to take this and fold it backwards and unfold it again. Then now you just need to press the middle and fold along all of the creases at the same time. And you have this triangle piece with four fin looking parts on the side. Then this corner, take these two top parts and go to the corners, fold it all the way to the tip of the triangle. Then take this, take this part of the diamond and fold it to this middle line, and do the same thing on the other side. Now this middle part's supposed to look like, now this middle part is supposed to look like a kite. Now do the same thing, except make it upside and make this fold on the other side of the diamond.
I like our headband.
Tiny diamond. Now you need to fold these two. Now you need to fold these two creases at the same time, and pinch this. Now and then you pinch this top part to make a triangle. If you look at it, from the side. And you do the same thing on the other side. And fold those two triangles forward. Now time to move on to the tail.
Set this aside.
First, you fold it in half the long way. And open it up. Now you flip it over and just flatten it. Now you need to take this top part and fold it down to the middle and do it again, but this side goes, do it again, and this side goes, now this side goes to the middle. Then, this corner right here, you need to fold it to the middle, and the end of this crease is supposed to touch the corner of the tail of the rectangle. And do the same thing on, and now it's supposed to be easier because you just need to line this corner up with this corner over here. And now the tail, you just need to flip it over and the tail's finished. Now to attach the tail to the body, to the wings and body of the bird, you need to look at it from back here and open this tiny pocket. Take the tail, make sure the flat side is up, and put it all the way so that the tip touches the inside, the tip of the in the inside of the bird, and make sure that part also lines up with this line, that's right here. Now you need to set it down and this push it up as far as you can until it touches this, and fold it in half. And makes the wings. And then unfold the wings a little bit, and the bird is done. Now you can color. Now you can color it if you. Now you can color it like this one if you wanted. And we'll see how it flies. Now I'll show you how this origami bird flies.
I'm video.
One more. 3 times. 2 more times.
Bye.
For now.
Bye for now.